Hi, in this video, we are asked to solve the equation log x plus 9 in base 10 is equal to 1 plus log x plus 1 in base 10 minus log x minus 2 all in base 10. So the equation given to us is log x plus 9 in base 10 is equal to 1 plus log x plus 1 in base 10 minus log x minus 2 all in base 10. Now recall that logarithm to each base is 1. So log 10 to base 10 is equal to 1. So in the place of 1, we will write log 10 to base 10. So the equation now becomes log x plus 9 in base 10 is equal to log 10 to base 10 plus log x plus 1 in base 10 minus log x minus 2 all in base 10. Now at this point, we will apply the addition law of logarithm at this point here at the right hand side. So therefore, we have it that the equation becomes log x plus 9 all in base 10 equal to log 10 times x plus 1 all in base 10 minus log x minus 2 all in base 10. Now we will multiply everything in the bracket by 10. So we have that this is log x plus 9 in base 10 equal to log 10 times x is 10x, 10 times 1 is 10 enclosed in a bracket in base 10 minus log x minus 2 all in base 10. So the equation now becomes log x plus 9 in base 10 is equal to log 10x plus 10 all divided by x minus 2 all in base 10. Now at this point, since their bases are the same, the equation becomes x plus 9 equal to 10x plus 10 divided by x minus 2. Now if we cross multiply, we have that 10x plus 10 is equal to x plus 9 multiplied by x minus 2. So now we can expand the bracket at the right hand side. So we have that x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. 9 times x is 9x. And 9 times negative 2 is minus 18. And then we write down the right hand side, 10x plus 10. Now at this point, we will simplify. So the right hand side becomes x squared plus 7x minus 18. And the left hand side is brought down, 10x plus 10. So we will move all the terms at the left hand side to the right hand side. So the equation now becomes x squared plus 7x minus 10x minus 18 minus 10 equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 28 equal to 0. Now at this point, we have a quadratic equation in terms of x. So we will solve the equation using the factorization method. So we look for two integers in which their sum is equal to negative 3 and their product is equal to negative 28. And the two integers are negative 7 and positive 4. So therefore, the equation now becomes x squared minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 0. Now at this point, we have that x, open your bracket, x minus 7 plus 4, open your bracket, x minus 7 is equal to 0. And if we factorize, we have that x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. First, we have it that x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. First, x is equal to negative 4 or x is equal to 7. So at this point, we have been able to obtain the values of x, which are negative 4 and positive 7. Please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.